Hi fam, our latest will be about Gayton McKenzie. Him and his team might not have the same support going into the next elections based on how things have been moving recently. On social media, people are saying it seems like these people are now enjoying blue lights and forgetting the people who voted for them in power. He recently posted on social media defending his relationship with General Sibiya, despite that Sibiya's name is being mentioned in the Madlanga Commission and in a bad way. So far, most people who testified in the Madlanga Commission have pointed at Sibiya as one of the main people who are obstructing the law within the SAPS and allowing criminals to operate freely. But it seems like Gayton McKenzie and his team are unbothered by these allegations and everything that was said by Sibiya up to so far. They still want to defend these cartels and their association with them. Listen to what he said in the next slide regarding Sibiya and his relationship with him. Remember to also leave your comments down below to let us know of your take on this. And that's all we have for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again next time. Bye.
Sibiya worked in city of Joburg. So I don't understand. If they say Sibiya is a gangster, well, I didn't know that. But Sibiya worked in the... I worked with Sibiya with the case of Jocelyn. I worked with Sibiya with the case of Jocelyn. So the DA has not worked out. You know, Eugene, you're wrong. They've not worked it out. That the more they speak about us, the more we are on the ground working. There's Wayne and them. He was just telling me they're busy working in Ward 27 now with Marcel and with Stamwolf. People like that now, they come saying, no, Stamwolf, they're trying to send bad things about him to me and about Marcel. Los Marai, massacres. Los Marai. Laat het staan, laat het staan, laat het staan. Laat staan, hy dinge laat staan. Sy kort Samus